Hey everybody, so I got some items from Amazon. We're going to do a quick unboxing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I picked these up from Amazon. They are Pico 5593 PT waterproof MI 0 to 40 amp with 5-pin pigtail. This is going to be the unboxing. I already had one open because I lost footage. Here is the card that comes in it, 5593 PT. It's a wire accessory, sealed 5-pin relay with resistor, 12 volt, 40 to 30 amp SPDT with pigtail set. Online, I think it was only like, I think I only paid like $14 or something like that. I paid $12.85. I bought two of them, so I was wrong the first time. $12.85. So here's the pigtail. The yellow, blue, and red are the thicker wires. These are the ampage carrying wires, which are the switch side. The black and white are actually the coil side. They don't need to be very thick. The coil side's probably about a 14 to 16 gauge. The ampage carrying wires, the red, yellow, and blue, are probably somewhere in the range of 10 to 12 gauge. They might be 8 to 10 gauge. But pigtail, it's got a silicone gasket for weatherproofing it. When I bought it, I didn't realize it came with a relay. I thought it was just the cover and the harness, and it's not. It actually does come with a 5-pin relay. And I will be doing a video explaining relays and how they work. It also comes with a mounting bracket that you can lock into place. Has the diagram on the top. It's a really nice kit for the price. I picked this up because I'm going to be wiring some aftermarket air horns on my 2004 Runner, and I kind of needed to be able to use something to use a switch. I don't want all the ampage going straight to the switch. I'd rather it go to the relay, and then that would mean that the switch would last longer because it's not getting any voltage or ampage other than what it needs. So there'll be a video about that in the future. So just a quick unboxing video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.